I got grippies. Have to have grippies.
Spend just a few minutes with Val,
I love it.
and she'll probably have you laughing. So it's easy to see how she and Tammy hit it off so well a few years ago, even though things back then were far from funny. You see, for her whole life, Val has suffered from a condition called hypophosphatasia.
I'm the only one in my family with it. This was a gene that was passed down. It was a bad gene, and I got it from my dad. You take a tree branch, and you go like this, and it splinters. That's what my bones do. They splinter.
Things got worse with age, and by 2017, Val was essentially bedridden, unable to navigate her two-story duplex, and down to 52 pounds.
I was eating once a day, if that. There was days I didn't want to eat, you know. I was kind of giving up because of the situation until she came into my life. And that was it.
At her darkest time, tired of falling through the cracks elsewhere, as she describes it, Val made a decision.
I picked up my neighborhood health card and I turned it over. And I got a guy and I said, I need help. He said, you'll get a call within 24 hours. And she called me.
Her needs were completely identified the minute I saw her. When I walked in, it broke my heart just to see, going up the stairs, and when I walked in, there's this tiny little lady just in this bed. And that's how she became my little lady, is because that's what she was. And she was really a prisoner. She couldn't do anything at all in that apartment.
The first thing she said to me was, you need to get out of this house. I said, how? Well, she said, give me a couple of days.
At Neighborhood, when we do the initial health risk assessment, they call it, and it's a basic summary of going over what their needs may be. We then will get a nurse involved for the nurse case management, who will help assess all the medical needs and work closely with the primary care doctors or specialists, whatever it may be. So we try and do a full tag team across the board. And if we all work together, the outcome for the member is great.
Over the following weeks and months, Tammy connected Val to the Providence Community Health Center and helped her and her husband find a new apartment.
Oh my God, you can't compare. You can't compare. This is survival. I was dying over there. This is survival. Time to chill.
And now, since we've gotten here, we've gotten her the power chair. She is in and out of the house. She has made friends. She has so much spark of life now. Still frustrations, but there's more spark of life.
If it wasn't for her, if it wasn't for Tammy, I don't know where I'd be today.
To be able to form a relationship with a member is such an amazing feeling to me. That is why I've been at Neighborhood for 21 years, because they allow me and give me the privilege of being able to have relationships with the members.
Oh my God, what I can tell you about Tammy. Tammy's unique. She has a genuine, caring advocate for her members. She always empathy, and she really give her heart for her member. Even with anybody that she come in touch with, that's her way to be. She always there, 24/7.
I made this for Tammy. That's called Diamond Dots. It was a gift that I needed to be gifted to someone who cared about boots on the ground. And she did. And she does everything for boots on the ground, Her son is in the service.
When she made that for me, it touched me in ways that I cannot even explain. If I could put it up on a billboard and let everybody know, it was very, very overwhelmingly good. Oh, I'm still crying. I'm sorry.
She's done so much for me, and I never knew how to repay her for anything. This is forever. And she'll always remember me, even when I'm not here.